Hello, welcome. I'm changing today the rear brakes after I loosen up the lug nuts, after I remove the tire. We will go from there. Thank you. Okay, now all the lug nuts are removed. I'm going to remove the tire. So, okay, look at it. Hello, welcome. I'm changing today the rear brakes after I loosen up the lug nuts, after I remove the tire. We will go from there. Thank you. Okay, I removed jack up the car and remove the lug nuts, and now after I remove the lug nuts, I remove the tire. I'll go from removing this off. Hopefully I will take the tire off and replace the brakes. Okay guys, I able to remove one of the brakes, then I'm gonna do the second one. We're going here and I have to get all the tools that I need. Remove it. Brakes are removed. Surface just needs to be cleaned and put it back. That's it about this one. I gotta get my brakes out of my car and then installation of the brake. Okay guys, this is done and ready, good to go, and I have to put the tires on. I got two more left on the other side. I will put the tires back and everything will be hopefully good to go. This side is done. As you can see, everything is complete, and then I have to put the tire back. Okay guys, I finished, put it back, the tire, torque it down, everything's good. So see you on the next one. And loosen up the other tire. I'm just gonna remove the lug nuts and remove the tires. So exactly, we're gonna go from there, remove the caliper, put the brakes in, and done. So it's easy to change brakes as long as you know how to do it. I was been in a garage for a few years and doing this kind of job, you know, nothing serious. So as long as you know how things go, okay? And the tire kind of stuck on the tire out. There's the rest of the job. I'm gonna have to use my special tool to get this out of there. So I'm gonna be using like This is a special tool. 17, 14, and 19 and 18. So I'll see you guys again when I unlock, because I can't do it with my one hand. So I loosen it up, and now I can remove with my hands and remove the other one. Those are the two we're holding. It's a 14mm socket. We'll remove this. Okay, so I'll try if I can remove that with my hand. I don't think so. I don't think that will work, but let me try something. That will work. You can use anything to remove it anyways. I will get back to you guys with 2 hands. So you put that aside like that, and this is the rest. You're just gonna take the pads out and that out. So it's supposed to be like spraying and cleaning, but I don't have anything to spray and clean. So I'm just gonna get the pads and put them on. I got the pads in here, they're new. So the 2 other pads are here. And okay, this one goes from inside, the one with the handle goes like that from inside, you know, and the other one goes from outside. So this is how it goes. Just find out where they go in. But I can, you just kind of give. Second one will be here. It kind of goes like that. Kind of go like that. Yeah, that's it. It's time to put the caliper on and done. So let me put the caliper on and I'll get back. Caliper's on. And now there's the only thing that left is just to put this toilet back on there, just this, and it's good to go, just like this. Put that back and that back. Okay, everything is good to go now, and everything is set. The bolt is back. Everything looks good, amazing, and new bricks. And then I'm gonna have to put the tire back, then finish up the job, clean up the area, and I'm done. So that's how you can change your brakes. It's super easy and it has no problems whatsoever. You can do it. Okay, the job is done.